Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to hack people. It's really easy. So I'm going to be hacking a person who gave me a gift. I am sorry, this person. But yes, so let's go on this. Okay, so this isn't loading, so I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so it's loaded in here. Well, it was loaded in. So I'm going to show you who I'm going to hack. So my friend on Skype told me this person's username, and all of a sudden they gave me a gift. So this person right here, he's a level 6. I'm gonna just check her stuff out. Spending my money on my babes. She's nice. Let's view her profile. Well, my friend did tell me that she had like about 2,000 star coins and she's spending 1,000 each on them both, so has she got any looks? I mean designs? Nope. Guess but me. Who took my things? Who took your things? That's sad. But you didn't really need to screenshot it and then put it on. Okay, let's see who took her things. I'm guessing Roxy then, because I know MSP Pizza was really nice to her. Let's see. Yeah, this girl. Tight cow. I'm sorry. Okay, so what you meant to do is write the person's username and say forgot password. Then it will ask you to put their email in. Well, your email in. So I'll be back while I put my email in. So it told me the password on my email thing. So now I'm into their account. Into Holly's, I guess, account. Let's see what she bought the two. Hey ya, ha 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 ha. Let's spin her wheel. Boss, banana. Yay! This ain't a lot of me. Okay, so her profile. Let's see who she spent money on. Given. Oh, I remember. Yeah, she gave us that. Oh my god, I thought she was like. Oh yeah, she gave me and Whitney a few things. That's actually where I got my stuff from. And she gave me loads of things. She was really nice. Okay. Let's look at her messages. Wow, okay, sister, stop spamming me. My sister's spamming me on Instagram, like liking on my posts. She does not have a YouTube account. Likes hacking people, doesn't she? No, you don't. She does pack. For today's shout out, this is her. She requested me to do the video, so go follow her on Instagram. That's her name. Okay, so I'm gonna see what clothes she's got. She might have good clothes. I don't know. She has given a lot away, so she might not have that many clothes. Oh, this is cute. That's cute. So take them away. What's there? She got things I would generally not wear. Just because, like, they're awfully nice, but they're cute. That's the look. So, oh no, I do not want to become VIP. Right, I do not want. I'm surprised she's not tried logging out yet. I'm sure she's my friend. No, she's not my friend, and she's a Whitney's friend. Whitney, go. So I'm gonna make myself a look first. Go watch my new videos, by the way, guys. They're cool. Actually, I want to do some of her friends, by the way. Really, I don't want to be VIP, thanks. She's got 14 friends, so I'm going to go for MSP Pizza because I know she's really nice to her, so, and I might do Sassy Unicorn, so yeah. Shout out to her as well because she did a big massive favour. Well, she did a favour to her, and they're just really good friends, I think. So shout out to her, I guess. Okay, so let's see what look we can curate. I am going to tell her that I hacked into her account at the end of this video, by the way, guys. I don't want her to think, oh my god, why do I look different and why have I created a look for her? Like, yeah. So I'll show you the look once I've done it. So here's a quick look. I didn't spend that much time on it. I didn't want my hat, actually. Yes, so I'm gonna do another one. Yeah. I'm gonna put cutie. And then okay, so I'll be back in a minute with so I'm doing Sassy Unicorn, so let's create a lock. Let's see what I can do. I'll be back in a minute with the look. Okay, so that's the finished look. I'm just like, I'm in love with that look. So I especially love the high heels. So that's how you hack someone. So all you need to do is write your email in, and then it will give the password, and yeah, that's all. Bye guys.